when he left for Tucson, his return, my belief. He said, I can't lose something I don't love. How could I lose something I don't love? Face so pretty with a mind so dark. Move the trees with a stand. Learn my lessons so I quit messing with girls that don't have a care. We can't lose something we don't love. No, we can't lose something we don't love.
Destination is
Chiang Mai. Right to the mountains. Wow, I'm tired now. Oh, fucking hell. Is that right?
That was good.
That was how many hours?
It was only
2 o'clock now. We left the digs at 7. We rescued the drone about 8.
about 4 hours.
Okay, let's go see what we can do for us in here. So. There's the bikes. Right, a bit dirty now. Quite a few kilometres, John. We've done over 2,000 kilometres, I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm going to take Johnny for a test ride. Which one are you test riding? Come on. That one, Pan Am. Harley Davidson, Richco, Chiang Mai. Breakout. Breakout, sold already. Can't have that, Johnny. Fat boy, here's a fat boy. 2 fat boys. I don't know, hoping so. First service, I've gone way over 2,000 miles. I hope we can do it. Tunnel orange. They've agreed to do the service today, which is fantastic. So let's see how it goes, yeah?
Okay, brilliant. Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's awesome if they can just do the sort of bike today. I'm taking it for a service. Straight into the shop. Straight into the shop. This Road King Special, this is just absolutely awesome. That's a good bike for you, that, Johnny, really. Beautiful size for you, man. He doesn't know where to get a Road King or a Fat Bob. I think the Road King would suit you better.
That's nicer.
This is nicer.
Yeah.
But the tank is small.
Johnny, get $1 million baht out and you can ride away on that.
Yes.
Oh, it's ready to go.
No, I reckon 900, maybe 990k with a discount for cash.
2022. And this one we put on the bike.
Oh shit, it's got a load of extras on it.
Yes.
They're doing my bike now. So
Yes.
I ride here, I call Tam from AIS Metro.
Yep.
He speaks to his pal Palm here. The bike goes straight in, they say about 1.5 hour.
Ah.
I'm absolutely very happy about that. So all in all, a brilliant day. Can't believe I found the drone. Awesome. I can't believe I got the service done in 2 hours. No booking. Fantastic. We do with scrambled eggs, bacon and pancake, hot, fresh coffee.
That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
So we're leaving Chiang Mai, heading to Inthanon, Thailand's highest point. Day 9 travelling. above sea level.
Good job, we weren't walking all the way.
We made it from the northern point of the kingdom to the highest point in the kingdom, to Inthanon. Whoa. Next step, Lord knows.